Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In the last video, we have built this web page. Now let's move this text into the center. To do this, we need CSS. Full form of CSS is Cascading Style Sheets. This is the basic structure of CSS. We have to accept it. Here selector is a name. We will give to this properties. It can be anything, and properties are nothing but text align, font size, color, etc. And here value is the value we will give to these properties. Don't worry about all these things. You will get clarity while writing the code. So let's write the code. Now let's create a new file for CSS. Name it as style.css. Make sure it will end with .css. Let's write the CSS to move text into the center. Let HCenter is selector. Selector should start with dot. This is the syntax of CSS. We need to accept it. Then open flower braces. Our agenda is to move text into the center. So let's use the text align property. Value is center because we want to move the text into the center. If you observe, there is a dot here. It means we didn't save the code. Click Ctrl S to save the code. To apply this CSS to HTML, which we have written already, we have to link it to the HTML file. We use this to link the CSS to HTML. Don't worry about this. You will learn it later. For now, here we have to give our CSS file name, which is style.css. Now we have to call the selector to move the text into the center. To call the selector, we use attribute. This is the syntax to use attribute. There are multiple different types of attributes. Here we use class and its value is the name of the selector. In the opening tag, we write attribute and its value. So in the heading, we will write class is equal to our selector name HCenter. Let's run the code. To run this code, click on run, then run without debugging. If you observe, heading is moved into the center. In this way, let's move paragraph and button into the center. So in the opening tag of paragraph, write class is equal to center. Make sure this center is enclosed with double quotes. Let's run the code. Here paragraph also moved into the center. In this way we can move button into the center, but it will be repetitive to write this class is equal to center again and again. So we will wrap all these elements into a single element. Then we can move all these together. To wrap these elements, we use a tag called div. This div tag is used to wrap the elements like how we wrap all our things in a bag. Now let's call the selector. Class is equal to center. Let's run the code. Yes, all the elements are moved into the center. In the next video, we will add the colors to these elements. Until then, bye bye.